I'm Nicole Pichardo, Communications and Public Information Officer for the Los Alamitos Unified School District, and this is the wrap-up for April 8th, 2022.
It was another busy week here in Los Al USD. Throughout the week, students and staff at Los Alamitos Elementary School came together to celebrate Neurodiversity Week, which is a school-wide initiative that challenges stereotypes and misconceptions about neurological differences. On Tuesday, the entire student body came together to celebrate the beauty and the diverse spectrum of the human mind by wearing the colors of the rainbow for each grade level. Students and staff formed a beautiful rainbow to celebrate the diversity and differences in all of us. Speaking of LAE, fourth graders at Los Alamitos Elementary School this week held their annual Wax Museum. If you aren't familiar with the project, students choose a notable person from history, dress up as that person, and deliver a speech about their lives. Historical figures included Harriet Tubman, George Washington, Lance Armstrong, Ruth Bader Ginsburg, and more. McAuliffe students and staff also took time this week to celebrate neurological differences by taking part in Abilities Awareness Week. Abilities Awareness Week aims to promote understanding, acceptance, and appreciation of individual learning and ability differences through fun activities. Students from general and special education classes came together to play various games that promote inclusion, making friends, and celebrating differences. In other news, the district, in partnership with Vital Link OC, hosted an inaugural college and career fair. Both students and families were able to meet with numerous college and career representatives, as well as explore a variety of career pathways offered at Los Alamitos High School, including medical, engineering, computer science, police, firefighter and paramedic, sports medicine, and film and television production. The event was a great success with more than 1,100 guests in attendance. On Wednesday, our Los Al softball team spent some time with Lee Elementary third graders. Athletes spent their morning in elementary PE, and while our high schoolers learned about leadership and mentorship, our Lee third graders learned about what it takes to be a good athlete, student, and community member from their high school buddies. On Thursday, Lee, Rossmoor, Weaver, and Hopkinson elementary schools opened their doors to families and students for in-person open houses. Board, executive cabinet members, and community members, families, and students walked the campus and had the opportunity to see all of the projects the kids have been working on throughout the year. The joy of actually being present on our school campuses was the running theme of the event, with students, staff, and community members smiling throughout the evening. And finally, board members joined district staff this week to celebrate 9 Los Al USD staff members for their dedication, service, and longevity with the district. Staff were recognized for celebrating 5, 10, 15, and even 25 years of service, serving a combined total of 120 years. And that's the wrap up for this week. Thanks for watching and have a great weekend.